Today is going to be, without a doubt, the best day of my life. I love you so much.
I really got lucky with you, and I'm so excited for our lives together. I love you.
Falling in love doesn't happen in an instant. There's no love gauge that fills and fills to tell you this is it. This is the person you want by your side. That's what I learned from these two.
Hi.
Hi, honey. Are you excited?
Maybe. Are you?
Yep.
Are you crying yet?
Not quite.
Wait till you read my letter.